Well, the first regularly scheduled direct flight from Shanghai is to arrive tomorrow morning. Hawaii tourism officials have worked for some time to make inroads in this area. But now that there are seats on a direct plane ride from China, will there be a problem filling them with the latest inflation numbers out of Asia? KITV4's Catherine Cruz joining us now with more on how marketing analysts are looking at these latest developments closely. Catherine?
Well, Laura, China Eastern Airlines, a major player, is expected to make the trip from Shanghai twice a week. Two major Chinese tour operators have also bought out the first 50 flights, we're told. So for the next 3 months, if folks can get their travel visas, it's looking pretty good.
Earlier this year, the first chartered flights from China touched down in the islands. The prospect of new lift and added capacity has taken years to build. The talks that have been underway to cultivate this new air service in the market have been steady, and there are very high hopes that the sector of the tourist trade will take off.
If we're getting regular scheduled flights and we can consistently fill this, hopefully they'll go to 3 times a week service, then 4, and then grow beyond that.
Uchiyama said the consistent flights will allow tour operators to market a variety of activities ranging from short 3-day to longer 14-day packages. The initial responses from the first chartered groups were good. Whether they were out sightseeing or shopping, Chinese outspent the Japanese visitor, dropping an average of $357 a day. The potential for growth with a growing middle class and more than 1 billion consumers are reason for optimism.
This is all a part of gaining more access to Hawaii, making it more convenient for people to travel, and getting them to their vacation experience quicker.
Uchiyama doesn't believe the inflation numbers are too much of a concern, saying HTA is focused on the higher and middle-income traveler and that the exchange rate is still in their favor.
And we're told that many of the passengers will be staying at Starwood Hotels, which has been training its staff in anticipation of the buildup of visitors. Can you say ni hao and shei shei? That's aloha and mahalo. You got that, Laura?
Ni hao, shei shei. Not too bad. All right, thanks, Catherine.